Can I have this dance? Welcome to my world, welcome to the hell zone. I'ma have you begging for me, blowing on my cell phone. Now I got you touching on my body and you promised me you won't ever leave me. Did you really mean that honestly? Saw you for the first time, knew just like a prophecy I would never ever let you go. Feelings come and feelings go. For now just hop up in the Benz and we can hop on the road. Yeah, I know you told your friends that you don't love me no more, but we both know that's the